Hi, I'm Chef Lulu and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we will be making the granddaddy of all desserts, these delicious and chewy chocolate chippy cookies. Get your mixers and spatulas ready and let's bake the world a better place today. Ingredients you will need: half a cup soft butter, half cup packed light brown sugar, half a cup sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1.5 cups chocolate chips. I prefer to use mini chocolate chips, and a bit of flaky sea salt. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and prepare your sheet trays with either parchment paper or baking silpat mats. In the mixing bowl with the paddle attachment, mix the butter until it is light and fluffy. Mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next up, add both sugars. And mix about 2 to 3 minutes until it looks light and fluffy. Now, add your egg and mix slowly until the dough comes together. Ooh, nice and fluffy and creamy. Then add the vanilla extract and mix together for about 1 minute. that's the mixing. In a small bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder. Slowly add the dry into the mixing bowl 1 spoonful at a time, or you'll end up covered in a flour bomb. Now, add the mini chocolate chippies. I'm adding mine straight into the mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can fold them in with a rubber spatula. Oh yeah. Behold, the cookie dough is complete. Now it's time for a taste test. You're gonna wanna make this. Scoop the dough onto the prepared sheet trays. When I make cookies, I prefer a smaller scoop and a smaller bite-sized cookie. These cookies are 27 grams each, and this batch will yield 34 cookies. Bake the cookies 10 minutes until the edges are a light golden brown. Once the cookies are out of the oven, I like to sprinkle them with some flaky sea salt. Now we'll just let them cool and rest. Now, time for my favorite part, the taste test. I've just experienced cookie nirvana. If this cookie proposed, I would say, yes! Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed these delightful treats. If there's a version you've made or want to make, let me know in the comments below. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for making the world a better place with me. Toodaloo!